Welcome to how to use WordPress. As you see, we're at the dashboard. This left side menu here is pretty much everything you're going to need to know. The main things you want to do with WordPress as a beginner is the ability to add a page or a post to your site. A post is a blog post. A page is usually like your home page, about us, contact page, things like that. If you go over here, the sub menu, it'll show you all of the pages in your existing site. This is a particular lawyer directory that has different pages. Now, if you wanted to edit any of the pages, you would just click on the page, and this would open up this screen. You would go in here to the body of the page. There's obviously all kinds of different options here. If you wanted to add a new page, you would obviously just click Add New. Every single page is going to be the same thing as far as adding a title. And then once you add your title, the next thing you would do is go into the body here and start adding whatever the page was about. So let's pretend this is the Contact Us page. We could either start typing, or if we had information in a Word document, we could easily cut and paste. There's actually an icon here, paste from Word, paste from its plain text. All of these bars up here mean something. Some of them are similar to word processing. You're bold, italicize. So if I want to bold this, I'm just going to block it and hit bold. Usually I want to just block this. I can italicize it, unitalicize it. This right here is going to control your font size. Paragraph is the default. Heading 1, which is going to be your biggest text, and then as it goes down it'll be not so big. You can change the color of your font here, so it looks like that. There's a lot of different options here. This is usually how your toolbar looks, and so it's key to remember this right here is something that says Show Hide Kitchen Sink, which just opens up a second menu. You would then just continue to type in your information here. The other thing you would need to know is how to add an image or video. Simply add media, and this is going to open up any images you already have. These are all images that I already have in this media. Or you could say upload files and select and navigate to any of the images you had, and then simply this particular one. Now here, notice on this side, you usually want to not link the image, otherwise people will be able to click on it. And then you can choose what kind of size. Usually it's the full size. As you see, the image is now there. In WordPress, every theme is different, so there's going to be all kinds of different possible layouts. But I'm not going to confuse you with all that. This is a simple how to set up a page. So the only other thing you might need to do is, if this was a sub page, you might want to put it under, like here I have Find Lawyers by State. That's the main page. The sub page would be all of these. So you would choose that. You could here save draft, as I just did. I could also hit the preview button, which is going to open up a new page, and this is always a good idea to see how it looks. And as you see, this is what we just did here. And then if you were happy with it, you would say publish, and that would pretty much be it. There's obviously a lot of other things you could do with a WordPress page. The other thing is the posts, which are the blog posts. This is a similar type thing here, where you're going to have all of these existing posts. If you would like to edit them, you just click on it, and you simply go in there and edit all of these. The other thing we didn't talk about is the linking. This is how to link something. Is you just highlight what you want to link, and then you press this. If it's already a link, I'm going to press this and it'll tell me where that link goes. And as you see, this heading 5, this is the size of this, where this is heading 3, so it's going to be a little bigger. These are just information on the particular lawyer. In a blog, the one difference is that you're going to associate every blog post with a category. So here we have featured attorneys, personal injury lawyers, personal injury news. So I've associated this post with all these different categories. If I want to add a new category, I would just hit that, type it in, say add new category. And that's pretty much it. Same thing, you could preview changes. If you want to make your changes, you would just press update and that would do it. So that is pretty much it for this first lesson.